Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I'm not going to go through everything like piece by piece. It's just I got the Boxy Charm, and I also got something that I ordered for a couple collabs that I'm doing. So I'm just going to show you what I got. So stick around. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna jump right in here and make this as short as possible. Just gonna cut this open. I just ordered this like 2 days ago and like got it this quick. It was like crazy. Okay. Ooh. No idea what this is. Like color demonstrator. I don't even know. Like this is in here. It's like, I guess like an eyeshadow sample or something. If that light helps. I don't know. I've never had these before. I didn't want to leave that light on because of the glare in my glasses. Okay, so the first thing I got was, and I ordered this from Mercari, but I just thought these were like pretty cool. I guess it says there's adhesive in here, but I don't see any. Anyway, I got these for a collab that I'm doing. I thought those were like so pretty. You know, just for something like that. And all this tape. These are a lot smaller than I thought, but whatever. You guys all know I reuse my packaging because I am just weird like that. Okay, so the first thing I got, I hate when these, you know, the little cellophane things stick. It's this little guy. This is pressed glitter. It's by Beauty Glaze. I've heard like good things about them, but I mean, I've never used them, so, but I don't know if you guys can see. Focus. I thought those were like super pretty, especially like with the purple lashes. Like I thought that would be like really pretty because any of them colors would like work great. I've never used anything like this before, so, oh Lord, yeah. I mean, there's like chunks in there. Got a little star out there. It's like, it's pressed, but it feels like gritty, you know? It's like really gritty. You can't really do swatches or anything. Like, I'm not kidding you. It feels like salt. Oh, wow. And like you can't really swatch them. You can't even see that. Like, and why I keep doing them every time I do a darn swatch on there. Yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully I'll be able to work with that. And the other thing that I got was another one. Oh, wow. That's crazy. But just gotta be careful, I guess. was this one, and this one's also for another collab that I'm doing, but if you can, oh, this one's better. This one's not all gritty. I mean, obviously it's glitter, you have to work with it, but... So this one's like a little bit better. And now I have glitter all over my pants. Why I did that, who knows. Okay, so that's all I got in that. Which, I mean, I'm like excited about that. I don't even know where to put this stuff because my boxes are completely full. Okay, now you guys already know about this. I'm probably the last one on here to get this, so okay, you've already seen that. You know, everyone else's always looks so much nicer. Like, mine, like, literally is, like, halfway covered up, and I don't know. But, yeah. I thought I was going to get the same thing that everyone else got, the double-decker mascara, which I was excited for, but I didn't. I got the Bella Pierre Volumizer Mascara. I don't need mascara, but... and then, the Pretty Vulgar that I got in, Prim Vixen. Make them blush. I don't know. Whatever. You guys already seen that. You've already seen the 3 eye gel packs, which I ain't gonna be using those either. The mini brush set, in which I probably will use this, like, for sure, I'm sure, but it looks like they, like, don't want you to get into it. Oh, Lord. I mean, these brushes, like, I'll probably use, like, one of the few things that I'll actually use in here. So, definitely will use those. I mean, they're really soft. I feel like a little too dense, but... And then, the last thing, of course, is the palette. Oh my Lord, it's like they put this, them little tape things, like, on everything. Goodness. And, like, the tape that's on there is, like, you know, not the easy stuff to come off. Anyway. So, I mean, you guys have already seen this. And for some reason, like, on camera, this looks like a nice, like, red color. It's not. It's like a purplish color. Anyways, like, I was excited about getting this one. I mean, more excited for next month, you know. But, anywho, put this in there. Oh my Lord, nothing else can possibly fit in there. Yeah, I don't even do the swatches on it. Okay, so, guys, that's all I got. But, yeah, really that's all I wanted to show you. I just wanted to, like, do that unboxing of the things I got. I really wish I would have got the double decker mascara just because, like, it looked really cool. But, you know, it's whatever. I mean, yeah. Let's open this and see what it looks like anyway. I've never even heard of this brand. I mean, that's what it looks like. But I won't be using that. I'll probably just put that in with my giveaway. But I mean, the blush, like, I'll probably use. Like, I love blush. It's just now that I got these Boxy Charms, like, I don't know where I'm going to put anything anymore. I don't know. Okay, guys, that's all I got for today. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Just click that little guy down here. And if you already are, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all of your love and support that you show me. And I will see you guys next time.